This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Tasks as a desktop app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right up this way, you can see I have an app called Google Tasks. If I double click on that and open it, it opens up Google Tasks as an app. You still have all the same features. I don't have much going on Google Tasks. I don't hardly ever use it. That's why mine looks kind of bare. But to install this, I'm going to show you two different ways to install it. First, I'm going to uninstall my Google Tasks. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go to my installed apps, and I am going to find Google Tasks. Right here is Google Tasks. I'm going to uninstall the app. You can use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it on both browsers, but I'm going to start off with the Chrome web browser. You want to open up Chrome. You want to go to Google Tasks and log in. Make sure you're logged into Google Tasks. Then in the upper right-hand corner, up in your address bar, you should see it looks like a monitor with a down arrow. If you put your mouse cursor over that, it says Install Google Tasks. If you click on that, you'll get a little dialog box asking you, do you want to install this? Another way to do it on the Chrome web browser is to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu, click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the right, or I'm sorry, the left, and down to where it says Install Google Tasks. Click on Install Google Tasks. Little dialog box will open up asking you if you want to install it. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to open up the Edge web browser. You want to go to Google Tasks and make sure that you are logged in. I am logged into Google Tasks. Then you'll go up to the address bar up here, the right side of the address bar, and you'll see a bunch of little boxes up there. If you put your cursor over it, it says App is available, install Google Tasks. Another way to get to it is to go off to the right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu, click on the three-dot menu, go down to where it says More Tools, put your cursor over More Tools, straight off to the left, and up to where it says Apps. Then you'll slide straight off to the right, and it says Install Google Tasks. I'm going to click on Install Google Tasks. Little dialog box will pop open asking me, do I want to install this? I'm going to click on Install. It just takes it just a second and it opens automatically. Now another little dialog box is here asking me, where do I want to pin the icon? Do I want to pin it to the taskbar? Do I want to pin it to the start? Do I want to create a desktop shortcut? Do I want it to auto start on device login? You just have to use your own judgment. I'm going to go with Create Desktop Shortcut. And I'm going to click on Allow. Now I'm going to close this out. And right here on my desktop, I have an app called Google Tasks. If I double click on that and open it, it opens up Google Tasks as an app. Thanks for watching.